Hey fellow RVers, today I am going to be fixing this awning. Still haven't decided what I'm going to do with the $500 Cub hybrid, whether I'm going to fix it up or just keep taking parts off of it, but for right now, just taking parts off of it. This awning is going to go on the Cozy Traveler. It's the same size, so instead of buying a whole new awning, which is a ridiculous amount of money, I'm going to take it off of this and put it on that. Before I do that, however, I need to fix the slider arm, as it is snapped in half. Also, I have yet to pull out this awning, so if you stick around to the end, we'll find out if the vinyl's still good on it. So let's get started. All right, to get to this, I'm gonna pull off the bottom. To remove this piece, I'll have to take the screws out right here. And then I'm hoping that I can get this out. And we will save these screws. Ah, balls. Once I got the screws off, I'm hoping this slider will just come out. And there it is. It's broken. And I dropped a screw. Once I got these screws out, I'm just going to put them back in here so I don't lose them. And then I need to try and get this slider arm out. Here's what broke, is this slider arm, and that's what I'm going to replace. First thing is to drill out this rivet. I'm using a 5/16 to drill it. Alright, I've got the top kind of I'll just kind of pry it out. And that is how simple it's come off. So now I'm replacing it. Just this part I found on Amazon. It's a little different, but the shape is still the same. It'll work. Put this back in. And run the pin through. It's got a little top that you put on it. Now we'll just hammer it in. And there it is. Literally takes about 2 minutes. It's not a very hard process. But now let's go put it back together and see what the awning looks like. Slide the awning arm back up in there. Alright, so now that the awning arm is in there, we'll take the slider arm and just slide it in the tracks there. And put the screws in. That is how simple it is to replace the awning slider arm. Now I have an A&E system. I believe the Dometic awnings are about the same. And we will lock it in place there. And now let's see what this awning looks like. Alright, to get the awning down, everybody needs one of these, the telescopic awning rod puller. It beats the long rod puller that they usually come with. I like it better because it just folds up into just like a foot long rod. Then pulls out so you can reach your awning. One. Oh yeah. Well, it's not too bad, but it does have some holes in it. So there it is. That's how easy it is to replace the slider arms on these A&E awnings. I will be taking this awning off of the Cub Hybrid and installing it on the Cozy Traveler. So if you're interested in seeing that video, hit that subscribe button and notification, and when it's done I will upload that. Also, we're going to be doing the walkthrough very soon of the Cozy Traveler, so stay tuned for that. And let me know in the comments below, do you think we should fix this Cub Hybrid up or just scrap it and do a video on how much you can make scrapping trashed trailers? Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.